How are you all? I hope you are doing well and practicing spoken English every single day. This is the day 6 video of the series Practice English with Me, right? So I started this series for beginners. Of course, I am a beginner. I am not this type of beginner. Actually, you can say I am the level 3 of beginner, right? Of course, I am beginner, but not the level 0, level 3. Actually, I can speak in English, actually survival English. And of course, I can understand English, I can read in English, write in English, and of course, I can speak a little bit. But I am not an expert. I want to be an expert, so that's why I speak English every day, and I record this and I uploaded this video for you. If you are a beginner, if you want to speak in English without fear and without any hesitation, so you have to practice like me. So if you practice regularly, please write the comment section here, practice. Just this all. It will not take too much time. Please write practice today. If you practice every day, so write in the comment section every day, practice today. And you have to practice every day. That can you speak in English fluent. Of course, when I was a beginner, I couldn't speak English. But today, I improve a lot. Why? Because I am practicing spoken English every day. Now also till now I am practicing. I am reading, I am writing, I am listening, I am doing speaking practice every day. That's why my English is good. And reading practice is very important for learning any language, because English is not our mother tongue. English is the second language. So you have to read. If you read in English, it helps you to speak fluently very short period of time. Because when of course you have to read loudly. If you read in your mind, so nothing will be happening. You can't speak in English, but you have to speak, you have to read loudly. If you read loudly, then your mouth muscle will be trained, right? When you are listening something, this train your ear. When you reading in your mind, this train your brain and you gathering knowledge. Okay, you gathering knowledge when you are listening, when you are reading mind. But what about speaking? You gathering too much knowledge, but you can't speak. So what is the profit of knowing the information if outcome is not coming? So what is the benefit to learning too much thing? So you have to speak, and that's why you have to read loudly. Reading is a very important thing for learning English. If you read loudly every day, not too much time, start from 5 minutes. Short story, kid story book, it is available in market. And if you don't want to buy a book, you can easily search in Google short story for learning English. Short story, and you can read also English. You if you can able to read in newspaper article, you can read in English. But you don't need to read actually the entire article. You only start from one paragraph, two paragraph, then increase your time. Reading helps you learn, but of course you have to read loudly. If you read in your mind, it will not help you. Read loudly every day, minimum 5 to 10 minutes. after some months, you can see the drastic change in your speaking English. So I hope you can understand what I am trying to say. If it is, please like, share and subscribe this channel. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Have a nice day.